select 1, 2, 3 pass. 1 minute. Pressure is okay. Need 5 minutes here.
Yeah.
Okay, it is 13.5 9 liter per minute.
This is for dew point.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is for dew
Dew
point
point.
and oil.
Oil, okay,
dew
oil and dew point. Okay,
And,
both,
yeah.
for both.
For both, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is for the particle.
Yes.
This one is for
Power supply.
power supply.
Yes.
So it doesn't require power supply. Okay, you are already.
Yeah, yeah.
And this one?
This
This
is
one
just
is for
used
this,
for this flow meter. Yes.
Okay.
So it seems you like the S600 very much.
Actually,
Just buy
we had,
one.
we had recently quoted one customer. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just want to show some video to him.
No problem, yeah. But you need to buy one and show the demo.
In India, it's not that much. This is the
Yeah.
flow meter. I can easily flow meter. I can sell.
Just
But you have quite some pharmaceutical food
Yeah,
industry,
there are
right?
pharmaceutical companies, but then the pharmaceutical
You
companies.
see right now we have 0.1 micron particle. The pharmaceutical customer, they like this very much because previously only 0.3, but right now.
Have you sold any to the main some Pfizer or something, some big pharmaceutical company? Because if then I can try to represent.
I know, but not yet. Not
Okay,
yet. Yeah. Not yet. We are under negotiation.
Okay.
Not yet. Yeah.
So you got it?
Yes. Yeah.
Right now
It's
still
cleaning and calibration.
Oh, okay. So the flow.
I'm afraid the bottle will be empty soon.
I didn't open. I just opened a little bit.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, that's why the pressure is in there.
The flow, that particle flow is fixed every time, or
No.
it depends on what.
The first is a measurement of the particle counter flow.
Yes.
That is that 5.6 liter per minute that I show you on the slide.
5.
That was on that slide 5.6, but it can be varied, depends on the pressure.
Okay.
So the flow to the particle counter is somewhere between 4 to 7 liter per minute,
Okay.
depending on pressure.
Okay.
That's the first measurement.
Yes.
After that is done, you press a button, and then he will tell you you have to adjust now the total flow to this and this number.
Total flow. Okay.
And this is done by opening this valve and purging out air.
So flow here will be less.
No, just do it. This flow is still the same,
Yeah.
but you add some additional flow to make the total flow here
Bigger.
bigger
Oh, okay.
and matching with the sampling flow from the velocity.
Okay.
And that's the trick.
Okay. So the flow here basically fixed, just 4 to 7 something. Okay. Just the target flow actually is the flow here.
It's the total
Total flow, so
total
here.
flow here, yeah.
Okay.
And the total flow must be in a certain ratio to this flow based on the two different
Yeah,
diameters.
to achieve ISO. We're almost done. I think we can adjust it. So 10 seconds.
Okay.
Yeah, start.
Open. As you can see, we're not ready to set the preset well below. For particle paint open, where for oil open. Thomas?
Can you just
Sorry. So open here means right now open this one?
Open, well, for all other.
For oil at the dew point, it's open this one, right? And the particle open is
This one.
open. Okay, so these two are open. So these two open, then we start. And actual flow now is
Open that thing.
we need to achieve a certain flow here.
Now we just, that is fixed by pressure and the leakage what is produced.
So now
inside.
we are waiting for come this value or
No, you just.
Okay.
Please adjust
needle valve.
on the. This must be
complete closed?
Now it's closed.
And then if you got a stable reading here, then you press OK.
Oh, okay.
So let's see, that's stable, 5.8.
Yes.
So then it tells you you should produce a target flow between 33 and 41.
Okay.
This is done by doing this here, opening this up.
But we need to click OK or
No, well you have it.
okay.
Let's come up.
Yes. Yeah, okay, that's good. Up and down now.
Ready for measurement?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now it's starting now.
And if you see this red blinking, then these values are not in the
class?
above the class.
Okay.
Not within.
We can see it here. What's the setting? Yeah, this we select one
Threshold, okay.
class one. Yeah, so it's more than 20,000.
Yeah.
At second channel also more than 400, more than 10. So we have this up direction
Yeah.
alarm.
Yeah, okay.
But dew point is okay because dew point I selected +2. +2 means -14, so lower. It's okay. Oil +3 also okay. No?
So then for 1 hour we should as per you 1 hour you do the reading.
As I said, depends a bit on the class what you
Okay,
select. If you
okay.
want to go to the highest class, +1,
Yeah.
I recommend you to measure for 1 hour at least. And the particles will be updated only once a minute, so it will be stable for 1 minute and then refresh. And this is now the program time,
Okay.
so we have 33 minutes
33
left.
minutes left. Okay.
I think after this experiment I will go to
Okay.
So might be just after 1 minute it will give you a reading.
Yeah. A new reading. So the 1 minute should be over.
First 5 minutes person.
It can be that this is still in the first 5 minutes purging phase. The particle counter will in the first 5 minutes not show any updates.
Okay.
It's just waiting to purge out the thing.
Okay.
I'm afraid after 5 minutes our bottle is empty. Dropping a lot.
Yeah, here.
close this here.
Yeah, the reading has
Updated
changed
now,
here.
but it's still high.
But still have it.